Microsoft is about to change Windows 11's File Explorer in a big way. They plan to add keyword and color tagging functionality, which I think is just really awesome. Because right now, organizing your files is quite limited in terms of modern standards, so you need to use third-party options to gain the extra functionality. I mean, just imagine all the tech news you could color coordinate and tag and also follow this channel. They're also adding a more touch-friendly design, better photo viewing, and more Microsoft 365 and OneDrive integration, which I'm not particularly hyped about, and it may raise concerns from EU regulators regarding bundling of Microsoft's services. Let me know if you think any of these features could be useful to you. So this is an update from Microsoft for Windows this is like the first update I've actually liked and been hyped about in a while, because they just keep adding a lot of new features that, I don't know, a lot of people just don't care to use, and when they add those new features that people are using break, which is not great. But this is something that has been they should have implemented this a long time ago. Something like Google Drive has had this for like a very long time. I don't know if they have tags and stuff like that, but that would just really helps, especially for stuff like media. For instance, I wanted to organize a lot of my videos, a lot of my media library. I have like a lot of old shows and stuff like that, so I just had to make a Plex server, because then with Plex you can actually add tags and so on. Because with Windows, not being able to add tags means that you pretty much just have to add everything that you want to search for in the title. So what do I mean is, like, if you're organizing a few movies, you have to have the title of the movie, then you have to have maybe the genre of the movie, the actors, because, you know, these are all things that you would want to search for. So you basically just need to create your own database or just use something like Plex, and now they're just going to be adding this. The thing that I'm not hyped about is more Office 365 and OneDrive integration, because I don't know, I'm just not a big fan. I don't really use it all that often. And some regulators might definitely have an issue with this, because if your Windows comes heavily packaged in with the Microsoft Office and the OneDrive and everything, you are sort of taking the eyeballs that people have for cloud services, and you're just placing them all in your cloud service, potentially, you know, sort of giving you a way to become a monopoly. So it's a few problems. I'm not particularly hyped about that integration, but I'm really hyped about being able to just add various colors to my files and just tag them, because I mean, that's just such a no-brainer that we should have had for a very long time, and I'm actually excited about it.